All right, guys, here is our room. We're staying at the Hilton Nashville BNA. So I think this was an upgrade, wasn't it, Angela?
Yeah, complimentary upgrade.
Complimentary upgrade for diamond members. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. Oh, you're gonna show us the
Yeah,
mini fridge?
there's a little mini fridge. A little coffee station with a couple of waters.
Nice closet.
Little closet.
What do we have here?
Let's see. Oh, nice. You got
It's the bathroom. Oh, I like the shower. It's very nice. We should think about doing something like this at home. We redo ours. Fake wood tile look. I like it.
the doors are heavy. I guess this is a bench to sit on.
I guess I was thinking you put your suitcase on it. Yeah.
It's sturdy.
Welcome, Angela, and it's showing downtown Nashville. This is our view. I think the view the other way is of the airport.
Yeah, we'll have to go over to the fitness center and
Yeah,
see. We chose this side.
we did. It's got a really nice couch. It's got a desk, king size bed. Of course, Nashville, everywhere, you know, art.
So far, you can't hear outside. They said that it's, I'm not going to say soundproof, but there is blackout curtains and you can't hear what's going on outside. So you can't hear the traffic that's out there.
That's good. There's the Bat Building on the TV. Well, all right, that's our room tour. Okay, so we're staying on the ninth floor. Ninth floor is also where the gym is. We'll see if Angela can get us into the gym.
Yeah, well,
There is somebody working out, so I may come back.
he is not.
Not working, huh?
Oh, there it is.
There we go. So you look out over the airport. I'm sorry. It's a pretty cool view for a gym, isn't it? We're about to go upstairs to the rooftop bar. All right. You want to head up there? Oops, sorry. Let me fix that. Angela got her drink. What'd you get?
I think I can fly.
I think I can fly.
It's tequila. It's a. How do you say that tequila?
Huh?
How do you say the
Codigo? Codigo.
Codigo.
Yep.
All right.
Good.
Tequila, and it's got some mangoes, some Mike's Hot Honey, tahini on the rim. Nice touch.
Yep.
Very good.
Mine is good as well. Oh, I forgot the name of mine already. It's like a old-fashioned, but it's fancier. It's cleared for takeoff. It's got bourbon, espresso, Angostura, bitters, orange, and pecan bitters. It's really good. It is really good. The menu is like leather bound. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
So they do have
How late
food.
do you serve food? How late do you serve?
12:30.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. Well, I'm sure we'll be back.
More weekends up here.
Okay.
They serve food till 12:30. We're going to Grand Ole Opry, but we shall return.
Downstairs, dinner don't end till 11, and upstairs, if y'all want to get a nightcap or something, it's 12:30. So
Okay.
that's called like 12:15.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll go
Nice.
upstairs to 12:30.
Okay.
Y'all want a nightcap before y'all get up out here? Come on, yeah. You ain't got no hop, skip, and jump to the plane.
We're not even flying in.
We're staying at the hotel.
We're just staying at the hotel.
Yep.
We're doing a review of the hotel.
Ooh, y'all might be like the only, probably about the second couple that been in that room. You know, still on the 2 years. They opened up this door.
See, not too many people stay in this. Okay, if you're staying at the Hilton, BNA, make sure you get on the right elevators.
From the
bar.
BNA Sky Pavilion bar.
That's the bar. Those on the left only go to the lobby. Yes. These on the right, these will take you to your room, which we may have to have a room key to get to our room.
Oh yeah, we do.
Hit 8.
Hit 8?
I mean 9. Yeah. You gotta have a room key to go to your room. There we go. There we go. We're good. If you're just coming
It's
from
complicated.
if you're just coming from the, if you're not staying here, you get on the other elevators, and the only place you can go is the loft, the rooftop. I mean, it's all good. Do want to show you on the video that each side of the bed has plenty of power options, which we need because we have a CPAP, and I brought my little wireless charger. But as you see, you've got two 110 plug-ins and a USB and a USB-C next to both sides of the bed. It came in really handy. Oh, even more power options on the lamp. So yeah, you won't struggle with where to plug things in. Also, we have the drawers are like the automatic closing drawers. And when we did the first tour of the room, we didn't show you the safe. There is a safe, which we didn't use. What do you think? You like the room, Ange?
Yep.
I like the room. We like the room. It was cool to be able to watch planes come and go. Overall, definitely highly recommend. Okay, this is the gym. We got free weights. We've got a rowing machine, weight machine. Lots of stuff to get your workout on. It's hard to beat this view, isn't it, Ange?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, you can watch planes come and go while you're working out. There's one right there on the tarmac. There's another one. You can see downtown Nashville from the gym. Yeah, highly recommend. This is the lobby of the BNA Nashville. This is the view. You can actually come here, you can take the Skyway here. It's very beautiful. When you come in, if you're not staying in the hotel and you just want to go up to the rooftop, you just take the express elevator. If you're going to your room, you have to have your room key, and you take the guest room elevators. There is a restaurant down here. We did not eat there. Oh, here's a menu. At least it's a cocktail menu. Very cool. All right, now we have to go down to the lower level to get to where you park because we came by car. They have a little coffee cafe that serves Starbucks. Little quick bites. So this is where you park. You park on the lower level. That's the airport right there. You got to look for the signs. When you're parking, honey, what do the signs say?
Hotel, valet.
Hotel/valet, and I think they were, and the brown terminal sign. You will need your digital key to park. You go right up to those machines and use your digital key to let yourself in. And all of this down here is just hotel parking. There is, I think, 15-minute parking right there if you want to go in and check in and get a real key. As you can see, people are headed out. People flying out this morning, and we're leaving by car. Had a nice stay. As always, so we're SouthernCruisers, and we do travel videos. We do cruising videos. We're about to get right back into the cruising bug here shortly. So please hit that like and subscribe button. We are out. Hey guys, unfortunately some of the video we took from the rooftop of the Nashville BNA, it did not record right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna include a montage of the photos that we took from on top of the roof. And just a reminder, you don't have to stay at the actual Hilton to go up there. There were a lot of people up there that were like on a layover flight, and you can go up there. You can go up there. They got Wi-Fi. You can hang out. You can get a drink. You can't really use the swimming pool. You have to be staying at the hotel. Use your card to get into the swimming pool, which is a pretty cool swimming pool. You'll see the pictures. But again, if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Have a great day, y'all.